Okay, so I want to do a couple of reels just on the whistles here for a bit of fun. First one. Yes, this is a lovely whistle I got made by a local guy called Roy McManus. Absolute world class whistle maker and absolutely lovely stuff. Definitely check him out for a good whistle. So this is the two reels. two reels. Musical Priest, and the second one is a flogging reel. Sounds like many other B minor D tunes. Wow. Celsius?
No complaints, eh?
Yeah, they're handed in the air whistle too.
A bit easier on the lungs, like. I struggle with no whistle, the lungs.
I don't smoke. Am I supposed to?
That's why I got that. That's why I ordered that now, 40. in an effort to save the lungs. It's a low D whistle, so they make the bore narrower, to make it lighter to blow.
Yeah.
The only thing is it's about 17 foot long.
We got played now before. We might not have one. I remember playing it years ago. I was like, oh, and that's handy, alright.
Yeah.
No, what we did. And we had the low D, or the high D.
The mezzo.
Yeah. Travel to E.
Yeah. Right, so we're on Ella, Dave. We're on the Dubliners, Luke Kelly. So, the early triangle. And a hungry feeling came over me stealing, and the mice were squealing in my prison cell, and the old triangle and jingle jangle all along here. Clean out yourself and the old triangle. Oh, it went jingle jangle all along here by all the road. In the female prison there are 75 women, and is among them that I wish I could dwell, yeah, in the old triangle. Oh, and jingle jangle, so all along the byway of the royal, yeah, at the old triangle. Oh, it went jingle jangle, so all along the byway of the royal, yeah, so of the Royal Canal. wee tune for you.
Really?
Lovely. It's a great song, man.
Class.
Great song.
Parliament for tune like belt there.
Is that you play that? He's taking it. Into American Square. D, G, and with the A, go to the out in the ocean.
First one. There.
Then show a couple of jigs on the lads.
Take that in.
You'll song them, kind of.
Humor's going dark.
Here's Grand Out. Spanish gets quicker of this in the ocean. 1, 2, 3, up.
straight to the beat.
We start this over.
What we do the encore, what's what?
Back on again.
I will aim anybody.
Let's stop clapping. Go.
Hey, behind the Fela poster. We'll all walk out. Here's a wee shout out. We scratch marked that Alan Burke.
Ian Smith and Screevy.
Ian Smith and Screevy, old album. Machine correct? No, aye. We're on Gallant, the Holomite line. Gonna be Alan, big Shenyam. Ons we Dick Gahan, Shenyam, hier zijn freshen. Schotteren, dat was Holomite in Toron Shaw. Or on Donna van Pablo's Ice. For the Venezuela.
Guatemala.
Guatemala, ja.
Basti Yoga. Young kids in Guatemala.
God, so we song called Pablo's Eyes, written about Guatemalan street children. Nice happy one. In the tree can. Virgin Burley scraping by serves the city's garbage waste. Life's never warm, it's never dry. Of his wits, what he says, and his soul body underfed. Mother, father, brothers dead, falling on an orphan crying. Tears from Pablo's eyes. Must leave these streets or die. If the despots, they get their way with these homeless, helpless cry. Raise the sea the other day, have the cats and rats to shed the drain. Some neighbors gonna pay, 90 stay there just the same. Pablo rests those eyes. Prisons made forgotten that the only family Pablo knows, the tribe of roots of fingers, permanent social plan. Castellanza, holding refuge from dark night, ruling for him, truth revealed lies. Then you shone through the night, adolescence in the midst of pain. How the odds of fights and losing pain. Now you stand there just the same. Pablo rests those eyes. Prison's name forgotten, that the only family Pablo knows. Tried to cross the fence, burning social plan. And many trips through the city's garbage slips, and the sun will set soon to rise, greening Pablo's eyes, greening Pablo's eyes, greening Pablo's eyes. But beyond all, take care I'm gonna rest those eyes. Let's light some Pablo's eyes. Shindy Allen.